Joint Action Committee jaga school ba North Eastern Hill University haka khandre tarik unai lor ahaja arpo kala puloin ke jeki ke baar badminta kani ke JEC kala kno bo Vice Chancellor kani hu SK Srivastava ula pendu nong ke ni hu de ki folklore tingka Karkum ke jethu Professor Xavier Mao SK Srivastava Vice Chancellor kani hu ula hap pen phai no adu saw pasaw clothing ka shaka UGC na ke jingbam penan kam yaka barkani ke school ba ka haban siru sa arpu ar clothing ka kuna halor ke jingslaman phai income tax.
We are without chancellor for the last 5 years, and this is purely and solely the mistake of the present vice chancellor, because he has to call the executive council meeting and recommend 3 names to the visitor, that is the president of India, but this he has never taken any step, and as a result we are without chancellor. Therefore he could do anything as he liked. This is one serious mistake he had committed. And another one is also that he has also returned 44 crores of rupees to the UGC due to non-utilization of the fund. Secondly, due to late submission of the income tax, 22 crores of rupees had been also fined. Therefore, total 66 crores rupees we lost due to his inefficiency. So instead of getting more money for the development of our university, he has incurred more loss for our university. And apart from that, even a lot of our quarters are getting spoiled. Instead of repairing and allotting quickly, he has not taken any initiative. Therefore, crores of rupees are also lost even here.
Professor Mao ulayat huru bakani ke jeki jong ka benta ka baar ka long bet haka jo ka nongrim berkata ka long bakim ko ashu bu SK Srivastava undang beteng ban long ko Vice Chancellor na mar ka jingdon ka jong u ka long ka jingdu nong ye kani hu.
Without proof, how can we foolishly involve into serious allegation? We are not children. Why should we involve ourselves into unnecessary entanglement? We have concrete proof. And further to back up, I can even give you the fact that National Women Commission and the National Scheduled Tribe Commission had also sought explanation from him. Why is he not explaining properly to them? And also, even after retirement of 4 years, 3 years, some of the retired teachers' benefits are not being given by him. And one instance to substantiate this point is that even here in Molai police station, one professor had filed FIR and the investigation is underway right now. And you can remember even some of the media people in 2017, Nehuta had filed FIR at Molai police station and he could have been even arrested, but before he could be arrested, he had apologized to the public. And the various newspapers have published for manipulating the minutes of the Academic Council. And that particular minute, till today, from 2017, he has not circulated at all. We do not want him to be here even for a single day. And we do not want him also to be Vice Chancellor even in any other university, because we don't want other universities also to be destroyed by such incompetent and vindictive Vice Chancellor.
Go VC go!
Go VC go! Go VC go! Yeah, go. Yeah.
Go